dog treats.
That's how hungry I am.
I'm hungry too. See this?
Ew, I got Breast Buster. Let me see the Publix brand.
Yummy.
There you go.
Tastes like chicken.
Ew! This is nasty. What's your problem? You say these are good? Here you go, Sam.
It's for extra hungry people.
Come here, Sam. There you go. Who is that? Alex.
You laugh, you never know it could be great. Take the chance, 'cause you might grow.
Okay, right now we're heading from Alex Zimmer. He followed us. He calls me on the phone. He's like, nice dog. I was like, what? Oh, crap. I didn't know we were, like, recording. Sorry, guys.
You weren't recording?
Now I am. Well, I was, but... You weren't recording? Yes, I was.
Anyway, Zimmer called me on the phone. He's like, "Don't talk like that. She has a nice dog." I was like, "What the
He's a stalker.
Help!
Stalker!
Hayes, and I didn't even.
I know. We come back. I said something at me. Is he